Tough and tight. Lubricant. Improving slide of the claw. Heat gun. Green grime. Circuit board solder resist. Slightly peeled. Cover touches. Solder resist peels. Copper oxidizes and rusts. Leads to corrosion and disconnection. Action shooter. Increases with play. Gold plating on terminals peeling. Repairing both sides. Coating with UV curing agent. Preventing corrosion. Illuminated for about 2 minutes. Coating complete. Strengthening wiring pattern. Rust proofing. How does it look? Like this.